So hindi nila ngayon dinidiscuss ang tungkol sa flood control. We are just wasting our precious time and money for this stupid impeachment that is already doomed from the beginning. The fucking opposition, or I mean the majority, and all these fucking stupid and inferior and fucking idiots, imbecile, they know for a fact that they will never get the 16 votes. Not unless they're going to do some mathematics again that does not exist. Ang mga longitude kag mga latitude naman ni Sulbaron sa mga yudiputa that you could not even find in the northern and western hemisphere. Magawa-gawa na naman sa bagong aro sa mga bilatsing Iloy. Nasabi nila, okay, since Bato and Marcoleta and who else? Sino pa ba? Dalawa, no? Not around. So, okay na lang kahit 13 ang mabuto kay Sara to convict. No, that is not the Constitution. And wala naman sinasabi sa Constitution natin na if a senator is being accused of a crime, especially if it's unbailable, they are considered as vacant. Their seat is considered vacant. Hindi naman sinasabing ganon ang sabi, patay, replace, terminated, or something. Wala naman ganon sa Constitution, so wala pa naman charter change. Oo, pabida-bida, blasyon. Ano rin pabida-bida, blasyon? Diyos ko, obvious, hindi puta kang silay city ka rin. Hindi ko pag-anak, ikapabungkal ka man sa imo nga ingrons sa mga baby labs. Excuse me. Okay, what else? Ano ko pagwapo? Good to say you. Oy! Bogag siya ba Mickey Mouse mo malamang? Attorney Boga, wala attorney. Ay, mga pinkish na Mickey Mouse. Ever Belina. Ay, babab. Ay, naka-lip gloss. Ano ang lip gloss mo? I want to donate, attorney. Gusto ko magbigay sa iyo ng 24 pieces ng Cherry Chupatos by Eloy Bugris. Oasis of Beauty. Yeah, I know. Siyempre, mga Fortune and Narvasa. Bongga ka pala, day. Kahit nagkapangbungkal ka ng mga ingrons sa Baby Loves and Fairview. Bongga ang iyong rosy cheeks. Ang ginagamit mo ay Avon. Kung hindi Avon ang ginagamit mo, I am pretty sure that you're using Cocorio. Orange blush. Bongga, pala si Manenay, pala ay bongga effect. And in fairness, ang kanyang lips pack, naka-pencil, ay, huwag kang tantan. Talbugan niya ka, naka-lip liner. My guy. I suggest, attorney what? What is your name, Ligutan? Attorney Ligutan, I suggest, before you go to the impeachment trial tomorrow, I suggest you put a nose line. Ayan. Oh, God, double backs! Hindi po, ang backs idol. Backs effect ang kilay 2,000 mo, backs sa hindi ka one katak in all fairness. So, attorney, I suggest that tomorrow you put a little bit of contour over here. You put a little bit of contour, and you put a little bit of highlights. Turuan kita, attorney, ganito yan, oh. Attorney Ligutan, kahit naiinis ako sa iyo, pero gusto ko ang iyong Mickey Mouse. Ganyan, attorney, maglagay ka dito, oh. Para angat ang iyong kilay. Pak! Dito ka maglagay yun, nay. Na. Tapos, attorney, maglagay ka dito ng highlights, konti lang, ganyan, oh. Na. Tapos, blend mo lang, attorney. Para ang effect mo, attorney, is, ayan. Ayan. Oh, pak! Ganon. Tapos maglagay ka dito ng highlight sa ilong para matangos. Para kung magmaldita ka man, what? Excuse me? I'm sorry. Pag na ganon ka bagay, si magmaldita, hindi ka pango. Magalas kaya, attorney, in fairness, I like your makeup. The cherry cheated it. Kaya gani, gwapa ka pala, sesh. And on fairness, ha, ganda siya. Pangalang siya, pero best in Mickey Mouse. Ako, Jimmy Diin, kaari ko call, kapanilig while watching. Ay, nak, hello. Nak, Jimmy. Ba, magdugang-dugang man kamo di bilat sing iloy man sang kwanbi. Sang stars nyo? Ginahiblan ako. Tantan, katampa, pa Gcash man na kay. Do hindi man ni makatrespasser ning ginapang ano nyo sakon man.
And last question. What did you mean when you said that BP Sara's response was unconventional?
Your Honor, it was a description, Your Honor, of the statements that she made during the press call.
Kaya nga, why do you consider it, why is it unconventional?
Rafi Tulfo, you do not know the meaning of unconventional. Where the fuck did you come from? And why are you even a fucking senator if that simple word, if that simple adjective does not register in your fucking head? It is self-explanatory. Rafi Tulfo, self-fucking explanatory. Remove the prefix, remove the un, and then concentrate on conventional. What do you mean when you say conventional? So meaning, if you have a prefix with a UN, it means it's the negative. It's the other meaning. It's a negative part of conventional. Ano ang conventional, Tulfo? Ay, pilat si Iloy. Na, ang nagsinador ni ang mga mangu-mangu. Ka-basic, simple, bilat si Iloy sa conventional, hindi mo alam. In order for you, just for you to have something to say, you are fucking rendering questions that are fucking moronic. It's an imbecile question. Huy, Ginoo, Diyos ko, Lord.
Kaya nga, why do you consider it, why is it unconventional?
Your Honor, the basic meaning of the word is, it will explain itself.
I told you, it will explain itself.
Judge, and noted, and then...
Oh my God. This is why I said it's self-explanatory. Huy, Ginoo ko. Even my kid who's 16 years old now, Trisha, who goes to a very prestige school, Colegio del Sagrado Corazon de Jesus, could give you fucking gazillions of meanings with examples. When you use the word unconventional, ay, bilat si Iloy. Kaya ako hindi ako nanonood sa bilat si Iloy na impeachment because it fucks me up. It riles me up. Hindi ko makakonsentrate ng aking trabaho. Nagwawala ang aking puso. Ayoko manood because you know it's so stupid. It's fucking foolishness. You have to be an idiot to watch this fucking shit, you know? This is a fucking shit show. Hindi mo alam. Hello, Spear Lazara, how are you? Dugago-gago, conventional, sinagot sa I love this attorney. The word itself is, you know, it explains itself. Hindi alam mo ano ang conventional. We gotta stop this colloquy. Pilat si Eloy. Ay, kagago. Why did you say it's coming? That is just for him. You know, you gotta stop your mouth, Rafi Tulfo. You are just letting the world know and making everybody who voted you regret for really, you know, believing in you that you were smart. But after all, when I fucking revealed your real colors, your being fucking stupid has been revealed as well. Not only that you do not hold integrity and you do not have any moral ascendancy, you do not have a brain too. Ayan lang pala ang alam mo talaga, ang mga bit ka, kag mang-insulto ka sa programa mo. That's it. Sumisigaw ako, Iloy, ang bobo nila, ang mugani, bilat sing Iloy, dumapatay ko, Lord Jesus. Kahit tanungin mo ang pamangkin ko sa Amerika, si Pache, alam na yung unconventional. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. You do not know unconventional, unorthodox. Mabuti nga ginamit yung word hindi unorthodox. Unconventional lang, if it was me, I would have used unorthodox. Ay, Ginoo ko, Lord Jesus. These people are fucking stupid. One thing that really, really frustrates me, and I really regret, I wish I could turn back the hands of time, is that I voted for this piece of shit. You know what I mean? If it was me, I would not have used unconventional. Unconventional is quite basic. I would have used unorthodox. Oh, spell me Rafi. Spell unorthodox. Well, he did not finish school. That's the thing. He didn't finish school. He just went being a radio fucking actor. I call him an actor and announcer. He's not a journalist after all. Journalist ano? Wala sa sang degree as journalism kahit nga broadcasting wala. Or mga words, sabi nga mga avant-garde, mga ganun bala. Iyak, bilat si Iloy, mga debate ka sa akong, sir. Kaya I have given up already watching it. Ang gina-watch ko na lang mga tawag ni video clips na lang because I cannot take it. You know what I mean? Guys, grabe naman yung star sa bilat sing Iloy. Oo, gani, this is a shit show. Oo, mema lang siya masabi mo. Oo, para lang may masabi, para lang may matanong. Why did you say it's unconventional? Because it is unconventional, it's unorthodox. It's out of this world. She was thinking outside of the box. It's avant-garde. What else do you want me to tell you? Open mo ang imo nga tesarus. Wala ka sa website, i-google mo, may wifi man da. Yung puto lang a stupid question. I really wish Miriam Defensor Santiago was still alive. Yung defensive VP, hindi nag-object kasi ang question nila katangahan. They let it show public, yeah, do not disturb your enemies when they are making mistakes. That's the thing, art of war, darling. Ay, ala, grabe. Thank you so much. Kaya ako, guys, I do not stop reading. I still buy National Geographic magazine. I still buy books. Even Archie books, I still buy. Bumibili pa ako ng mga crossword puzzle. I go back to the basics just to do mental gymnastics. Phones make you dumb. Books makes you smart. Nakakaibla, kaya ayaw ko yung manood. Ayaw tayo, mabubo ko. Ano ang drama ni... Ay, bungga. Ay, bungga si Mother. Sa isa pa ka back. Sa isa pa. Sa incoming. Hindi pwede mabuo padala. Okay, guys. I will take a rest for a bit. And I will see you again